4 tips on how you can fit Bible reading into your daily routine.
Unity and love and faith.
First tip is very important. Now, I want you all to understand that God did not intend for us to read the Bible in one day, 1 week, or even 1 year. He wants us to spend time in His Word, getting to know Him better so that we can grow a closer personal relationship with Him. It's a journey and a lifestyle, so be prepared to fit Bible reading into your normal daily activities. Tip number 2 is my personal experience on how I got started reading the Bible consistently because I have tried many times in the past, but I just was not consistent. So around June 2024, I started reading the Bible consistently with my son. And he was 13 around that time. And honestly, it was the best decision that I have ever made because, for one, it helped me stay consistent. And two, I gave him a head start on getting to know God for himself. So I highly recommend that you find yourself a Bible reading partner. And it doesn't have to be a child, it can be anyone who is serious and willing to commit to go on this journey with you. If you happen to not have a Bible reading partner, I'm excited to share that I am starting Bible study here on this channel real soon. So I hope that you join me in unity and love and faith as we explore God's words together. Tip number 3 is to set an alarm on your phone for Bible reading. It is so easy to get distracted these days with even our normal daily tasks. But if you set an alarm, it'll help you to remember that it's time for you to read your Bible. Now, I get it, life happens, and you can still get distracted even with setting an alarm. So your job is to just double up the next day so that you are able to stay on track. And finally, tip number 4, always make sure that you have a notebook and pen handy. You're going to have a lot of questions and going to want to take down notes. They're going to be scriptures and verses that stand out to you. They're going to be also useful for applying it to your daily life. So I hope that these tips helped you fit Bible reading into your daily routine. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless always.